Welcome to online lecture series in organic chemistry, and we are discussing about the electronic spectra of complexes. In this video we are going to discuss the microstates. What are microstates? Microstates are the allowed combinations of ml and ms values for electrons, or each different arrangement of electrons in a set of orbitals have a slightly different energies. These are called as microstates, and the number of microstates, it is given by formula n is equal to capital N, it is equal to n factorial upon r factorial into n minus r factorial, where capital N, it is the number of microstates, small n, it is twice the number of orbitals. For example, for p orbital or p subshell, in p subshell there are 3 p orbitals, and therefore value of small n, it will be 3 into 2, that is 6. For d orbitals it is 10, for f orbitals it is 14. So n is the twice the number of orbitals, r is number of electrons. We take example, the number of microstates for p2 configuration. In p2 configuration, 2 electrons present in p subshell, and in p subshell there are 3 p orbitals, px, py and pz, and value of n, small n, this is the twice the number of orbitals, that is 3 into 2, that is equal to 6, and value of r, that is the number of electrons, it is 2. So formula is n is equal to n factorial upon r factorial into n minus r factorial. So n is equal to 6 factorial, 6 it is the small n, upon 2 factorial into 6 minus 2 factorial. So this is equal to 6 factorial upon 2 factorial into 6 minus 2, it is 4, that is 4 factorial. So this is equal to 6 factorial means 6 into 5 into 4 factorial upon 2 into 1 into 4 factorial. So this 4 factorial, it will cancel to each other, and the answer will be 6 5s are 30 upon 2, that is equal to 15 microstates. It means for p2 configuration there are 15 microstates. Meaning of this is, for p2 configuration 15 different energy states are possible or allowed, or for p2 configuration there are 15 allowed combinations of ml and ms. Consider another example, number of microstates for p3 configuration. p3 means 3 electrons present in p subshell, and again in p subshell there are 3 p orbitals, px, py and pz. So value of small n, this is equal to 3 into 2. Why 3? Because in p subshell there are 3 p orbitals, and n is the twice the number of orbitals. So 3 into 2, that is equal to 6, and there are 3 electrons, therefore r is equal to 3. Again formula for microstates is n is equal to n factorial upon r factorial into n minus r factorial. Value of n is 6 and r is 3. So 6 factorial upon 3 factorial into 6 minus 3 factorial. This is equal to 6 factorial upon 3 factorial into, so 6 minus 3, it is 3, so 3 factorial. So this is equal to, when we simplify this, so 6 factorial means 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 factorials upon, so this 3 factorial means 3 into 2 into 1, and 3 factorial, it is here. So 3 factorial, it will cancel to each other. So 3 into 2, this is 6. So this 6 it will cancel. So 5 4s are 20. So there are 20 microstates. It means for p3 configuration there are 20 microstates. Meaning of this is, for p3 configuration there are 20 different energy states. Okay, so this is for p3 configuration. Now the number of microstates for d2 configuration. For d2 configuration, 2 electrons present in d subshell, and there are 5 d orbitals, dxy, dyz, dzx, dx square minus y square and dz square. there are 5 d orbitals. So value of n, that is the twice the number of orbitals, this is equal to 5 into 2, that is equal to 10. And here r is equal to 2 because number of electrons are 2. So number of microstates, it is the n factorial upon r factorial into n minus r factorial. So value of n is 10 and here r is 2. So 10 factorial upon 2 factorial into 10 minus 2 factorial. This is equal to 10 factorial upon 2 factorial into 10 minus 2, that is 8 factorial. So when we simplify this 10 factorial, we can write 10 into 9 into 8 factorial upon this 2 factorial, we can write 2 into 1, and this 8 factorial we can carry forward as it is. So this 8 factorial, it will cancel to each other. So 10 nines are 90 by 2, that is equal to 45 microstates. Meaning of this is, for D2 configuration, or when 2 electrons present in D subshell, 45 different energy states are possible, or 45 allowed combinations of ml and ms are possible. So these are the 45 microstates for D2 configuration. And the last example, that is number of microstates for F2 configuration. F2 means 2 electrons present in F subshell and there are 7 f orbitals, and therefore the value of small n, that is the twice the number of orbitals. So 7 into 2, that is equal to 14. So small n, it is 14 and r is equal to 2 because there are 2 electrons present in F subshell. So here we can write number of microstates n, it is equal to 14 factorial, this is small n, upon 2 factorial, this is r, into 14 minus 2 factorial. So this is equal to 14 factorial upon 2 factorial into 14 minus 2, that is equal to 12. So 12 factorial. So when we simplify this, 14 factorial, we can write 14 into 13 into 12 factorial upon 2 into 1 into 12 factorials. So this 12 factorial, it will cancel to each other, and when we solve this, actually 14 by 2, that is equal to 7, and 7 13s are, or 13 7s are 91. So there are 91 microstates. Meaning of this is, when 2 electrons present in F subshell, there will be 91 energy states or different allowed combinations of ml and ms. So this is about the microstates. Again, the meaning of microstate is the allowed combinations of ml and ms values for electrons are called as microstates, and each different arrangement of electrons in a set of orbitals have slightly different energies. These are called as microstates. And in short, we can say for D2 configuration, 45 microstates or allowed combinations of ml and ms are possible, whereas for F2 configuration, 91 different allowed combinations of ml and ms are possible.